And welcome to the channel Stock Market. So today we're going to see a very important strategy for making profits in intraday trading. The strategy is called support and resistance. So basically this gives you around 90% success rate. So we'll see how to use support and resistance and how to identify it to make profits, and we will also see some of the profits that are made by beginners using this strategy. First, let us open the kite. So here you will be able to see the chart. So now let us see how to identify the support and resistance. So whenever you see a chart, you need to watch the stock for minimum 45 minutes. That is, you need to see it once every 10 minutes. Now let us see. Now the stock has opened at let us say it had opened at 7:26 in today morning. Now you should have seen the stocks. Now it's 10 o'clock. Now you know that it had reached a peak of 734 and with the low as 726. So after now you have seen that the stock is around 732. Now you close and do some work, and after again 10 minutes you log in and see this loop in. If you've done that, I will show you yesterday graph. So it would have formed a pattern like this. So it is oscillating between 729 to 725. Within this 4 rupees it's been moving up and down. So once you watch this for 45 minutes, a pattern will be formed like that. So you should not take position immediately after seeing a particular chart. So it is very important to watch a stock every 10 minutes for minimum 45 minutes and then take position. So once you identify that the stock is moving between 729 and 4 rupees, then you can either short here at 729 and buy it when it's at 725, or you can buy it 725 and sell when it reaches to 729. So you can use this kind of buy and sell within intraday to make profits. So this is one of the method which nearly works 90%, but you need lot of patience to observe minimum half an hour to 45 minutes and then take position. So similarly you can see 4 or 5 stocks in your favorites and make your favorite 4 or 5 stocks and observe their movement for minimum 45 minutes and then take positions. Once if you observed it, you would be familiar with the stock movement and also how the stock is moving. So now let us see some of the profits that the beginners have made using this strategy. So I will show it. So these are some of our in addition to this strategy, they are also used some other two more strategies to make profit. So that everything is covered in the training material which I give it in my WhatsApp group. You can WhatsApp me. The number is there, 8072210003. So this is 1800. This is 1000. These are first day profit. In the first day itself, these guys had made a terrific profit by using those particular techniques for intraday. Again, this 3000. So it is basically they are very patient in observing the stock and making profits and using other strategies. So if you also want to join the WhatsApp group, you can WhatsApp me on 8072210003 and you can get the training materials as well. If you want to open a DEMAT account, I have given the link in the description of this video. You can use that link to get free training and support from me. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.